Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can easily use the embedded in Clickup. So the first thing you want to do is when you're going to be in Clickup, you want to click plus view here. When you're going to be in plus view, you want to find an embedded down below, then click on it, and then add apps and websites alongside your task with embedded view to save time and reduce content switching. So you can have, like, let's say calendar or Google Maps. And let's say I'm going to have like this, and I'm going to have okay. Now I will URL, and I can simply add a view. Okay, I'm going to edit that. So let's say I'm going to add embedded, and now I can add a YouTube video, right? So let's say I'll go like this, and I will write here a streamer. I'll copy it. Now we just paste the link and then add a view. And voila, here you got it, right? So this is how you can do it. And this is how you can have it here. So you don't have to switch between docs. You can even have a Google Sheets here. But let's say that I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to Google Sheets, and I'm going to create some Google Sheets here. Go to Sheets. And I'm going to have like a sheet here, right? And I have a sheet, and what I will do is simply share it, then copy link, and I don't know if I'll be able to see that. We will see. If no, I'm going to create a new one. Oh, here you got it. So this is how you can do it, right? So here you can see clearly how it works and how well you can implement the embedded view in here. So that's pretty much it and how it works. Now if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.